In this demo, we'll take a closer look at how the SF600Plus-G2U delivers efficient programming for an 8-panel PCBA. For this setup, we've prepared 8 G2U programmers, all connected to the fixture and controlled by a single PC. Our 8-in-1 PCBA panel is now securely placed in the fixture and ready for production. Using our intuitive GUI software, we load the programming project with just a few clicks. Now we start the asynchronous parallel programming, meaning all 8 boards are programmed simultaneously and independently, achieving maximum efficiency for mass production. We'll wait as the firmware is written to every board across the panel. And just like that, programming is complete. The PCBA powers up successfully, and the small displays light up, indicating that the firmware has been programmed correctly and is now running flawlessly.